well, I've just been told that the Elephant no longer belongs to the company, so, well, may well have been sold off. That's where the MGs were sold from. The showroom was over there. I believe previously, in former years, when the company was in its heyday, in full flow, it was actually a meeting conference centre. There we are. Well, I'm not sure. It also tells me, this gentleman, that could all be demolished for housing. But I know down the road has been redeveloped with housing, shop, various other businesses and flats. It's of course an assembly plant here, but that's the MGGS assembly plant here at Longbridge, where cars are finished off here. Now this is the ZS, yeah, it's the ZS, this is the ZS. Now I've given me a new car because there's a GS as well, which is very similar. That's the MG3 in bright yellow.